Ayan mga kaibigan, oh. Nagpadagdag si Don Julio. Nagpadagdag si Don Julio ng ano, talbos, sabaw.
That's so hot. What? Yeah. Oh.
Ayan. Lagyan natin ng sabaw ang kanyang plato. Yung plato niya. Sabaw. Give me your plato, Goy. Dagdag. Ayan.
I'm not finished.
You're not finished? Okay.
Okay, you want to put malunggay only?
Oh, malunggay only?
Yeah.
Talbos only?
Malunggay and tabo.
Okay.
I'm
You're welcome,
saying
CJ.
malunggay. Just give me only malunggay.
Putin na, okay, mahul, malaglag yan.
Put only malunggay.
Okay, I will put malunggay. No more kanin, only talbos, kamote.
Oh my God.
How about sabaw?
Yeah.
Init? Sabaw?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
And food. Yeah, that's big hot. Food.
What do you need?
Food.
Kuha ko man tubig ito.
Food.
You wanna blow? Okay, hold on, I will blow it.
No. Food.
Bebe. Fix it properly kay malaglag ka. Unsa man?
Very good.
Asa man mo ilagay yung spoon mo? Where's your spoon?
Right here.
Oh,
Now.
kain tayo mga kaibigan. Oh, Ate Mas Don Julio. That's their favorite. Favorite ni Agoy Agoy. Higop sabaw, nak. Higop sabaw. Kuha ako ng sabaw. Gusto nila yung ating nilotong ano, tangigi. Yan. CJ mga kaibigan, oh, tinudo. Sarap ng sabaw. Ma'am, what do you want?
Potatoes.
Spoon?
Potatoes.
You want tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Matis daw gusto niya.
Say tomate. Tomate.
CJ said tomatoes, girl, not kamatis.
She said tomate.
Tinan mo si Don Julio, mga kaibigan. Si Agoy-Agoy, patapos na. Patapos na sa Agoy-Agoy.
See
Ubus
ya.
na niya.
No.
Sabaw. O, tubig. Iba yung luto na kamatis doon. Kain tayo. Lakas si Don Julio sa tinulang isda. More? Gusto niya ang mga kaibigan, talbos kamote. I really like talbos kamote. Magpadagdag ka pa doon. Dami pang sabaw.
Finish.
Okay.
I'm all done.
Okay.
Oh no. I'll get the snack out and keep eating. Okay, CJ? I'll just let it out after you finish. Okay? After
Boy,
What?
we're making the ice cream.
I want this.
What is that?
Oh.
Can you help?
Yeah.
Please close the door. CJ is still eating. Makikita yan niya ngayon.
We're not gonna eat it, CJ. We're
Please
gonna
close
eat
the
ice
door.
cream, okay?
Here,
Mama.
higop sa baw.
Mama. I don't want those. I want ice cream.
Now you want the ice cream.
Yeah. I changed my mind. I just want ice cream. I changed really
Okay,
cold.
we have to make ice cream because it's been a long time no ice cream.
Yeah. You should eat ice cream too.
Yeah, we're gonna make ice cream after this.
After we eat ice
You
cream.
can just eat that tomorrow.
Aww. But can we eat that in the morning?
Not in the morning.
Why? It's vegetables. It's strong vegetables.
Tomorrow in the afternoon.
Ow.
Tomorrow, CJ has a birthday party sa kanyang class.
Why?
More?
Yeah.
Merong birthday party si CJ sa kanyang
Whose birthday? Is it someone's birthday?
CJ's classmate.
Birthday?
Mhm.
So, do they have a place to go?
They have a party inside the class.
Ooh. Good for me and TJ to eat.
Sige kay para bilis lumaki. You want some more? Do you want to add more? Do you want more food?
Am I hungry?
Oh, you want ice cream now? Okay, this is his second bowl, mga kaibigan. Second bowl yan ni CJ.
I get second bowl too, but this one.
Agoy got a 1.5 bowl
Yep. Should I get ice cream?
because you add more sabaw and talbos alugbate. Uy. Thank you, Lord. Busog.
The
Ang tubig.
sword! No!
Goy, I will do that.
I'll hold it.
Are you gonna do it now?
Can you make strawberry ice cream? No. I tried it.
Sure.
That's ice cream. Can you make chocolate or strawberry? No.
Only fruits.
I thought ice cream was cocoa. Can you put only
Hello sa inyong lahat. Magandang morning.
strawberry and bananas, that's it. Cocoa. Can you put strawberry and bananas, that's it?
Hmm?
Can you get strawberry, banana, and that's it, and put some milk?
Sure, Goy.
Can I have strawberry and banana? I like what it tastes like.
Shh.
Be quiet.
Ano man na? Ano man na? Goy? Goy?
Ah! Mama, I just checked for there's more water.
I already turned up. Hello sa lahat. Magandang umaga. Helen Albacete. Maya, magandang umaga na Roneng. Ganda na anak mo. Malakas kumain ng gulay. Yes, ma'am. Dahil yan ang kinain nila, ma'am. Sanggol pa yan sila.
No, that's it. We're not gonna have that. I want ice cream.
Sanggol pa yan sila. Gulay na yan sila kay... Nagkananay man sila ng malakas ng gulay. Di.
Mom.
CJ, get down kay malaglag talaga yung ano ngayon dong. Yung ating kawali. Grabe itong mga lalaki talaga. Parang...
Haha.
Parang unggoy. Napakong na kay...
Tanggong.
Napakong na kay... Okay, baby. Bebe. Kiss mo na.
You can't reach this.
Do not go in there.
Mama, I know, I like to eat onions
Ingat
with
lang
the
dito sa
sauce.
isda kay matinik.
Mama, I like onions a little. I like the onions on my sandwich. And
Please
my sandwich
put-
was sauce.
Oh. In school?
No, in the place.
Which
the place where we get grandma's car and then we go somewhere for like
It's called Culver's.
I like Culver's. That ever had the delicious sauce. And then
Goy, what you gonna say? Alik ka muna. Sit down ka muna dito. Interviewin natin siya sa kanyang ulam. Kami. I wanna talk to you. I'm gonna interview. So, anong ulam mo ngayon?
Malunggay. Malunggay.
Talbos.
Tapos,
Boate.
sabati. Ista.
Yes. You gonna make.
Kamatis.
So, what is your favorite?
And buti.
Huh?
And buti.
Yes. Okay, CJ. Okay, CJ. Okay, wait lang. Goy. Huwag kang mag-akyat dyan, Goy. Kaya huwag pa ta matapos dito, Goy, oh. No, dyan lang yan. Ayan mga kaibigan, yung ating isang kawali. O, tingnan mo, nahubas na. Yan na lang ang natira. Sus, ang kulit-kulit na dalawa. Yes, wait lang. Wait lang, kaya we're gonna wash the strawberries and everything.
No, cold.
They're cold. Ako na magawa. Kay, para hindi
The
pa.
other one.
Yes, I know.
Not this one.
Excuse me.
Not this one, Mommy.
Excuse me. Asan na yung gat? Oh,
Nana. You understand?
Okay.
Not in this fridge. The coldest one ever.
No, I will use this one because we don't have the cold one.
Hey.
Huwag mong galawin ang gatas na kay mahulog yan.
Do you have the banana cold?
Ako na.
Wait, do you have the blueberries cold? How is that thing cold? Who is that, mango?
That's langka.
I like Wonka. Let's put Wonka.
Langka is in different. We're making strawberry right now.
I like that.
Langka is for different next time. That's the next time.
But I like it.
Next time we're gonna do that, okay? Tonight is our recipe is strawberry, okay?
And bananas.
Yes.
Aww.
Goy, I'm not gonna make this if you're acting like that. I'm not gonna make this one. You're not gonna stop.
I want to see you.
Mag-change mind. Kung ano yung makikita, mag-change mind.
How about you?
No. Asa man ka? Okay.
Gotta sit.
Okay. Akyat na naman siya.
Oh my god, my nose. I had fun so outside. I thought you're not gonna go swimming.
I'm not. Only you. Because who will
No.
take her if I swim?
I thought you're not gonna.
Please go down. All of you go down so I can move. CJ wants to go up there because you are there. You want this done? No going up, CJ. No going up. No going up. Kasi pag mag-akyat yung isa, lahat umakyat. Wala na tayong ano dito, ka-space. Nagyan natin ng ano. Good job, CJ. Thank you. Ayan. Yeah, just stay right there. You gotta wash it, buddy. Wash muna. Wash. Ano ko muna to. Please. Okay. Excited si Ron Julio mag-ice cream.
Hey, have you eaten a banana?
Yes.
Banana.
Mm-hmm.
No!
No going up. Please don't go up. Ishana will go up. Just sit down. I mean, tingin ka lang dyan. Okay? You are fine where you at, CJ. No complain. We're making ice cream. They're late.
They're late because they were sleeping.
No, they're busy. That's why they're late.
I thought we were supposed to stay up early and stay then. What's that noise? I think that's Mama, I got photos.
Oh, you got photo?
Daddy, do you have the pictures?
Agoy, got photo daw. Oh.
Pictures.
Goy, this is a smoothie, ha? We're gonna...
Why are you making a smoothie? I want ice cream.
This is the same, Goy.
Ice cream.
No touch.
I'm milk. Can I play?
Kamay? Ang kamay? Wag ko turo. Kay
Can I have some, please?
This is all yours, okay? You and CJ, both yours. Okay, just wait. Wag ilapit ang kamay. Only me. Oops.
Taste time.
Wait. I give you a cup. All of you. All of you, ha? Kishana. Sus, Mario. Bumilit. Okay, CJ, here's yours. Here's yours.
It's an ice cream.
Okay, here. Wow.
I want more. More.
We're gonna make sure it's all the same, okay? Para walang, ano. Ayan, it's gonna make sure.
How about we put
CJ, wait. I want you to go to the chair. Go to the chair, please. Chair. Where's the chair? Where's your chair?
I have the rest. Look, I have the rest.
Ay, inumin ko.
That one.
Okay, this is CJ. Okay. Go sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
Okay. Ano, happy?
Yeah.
Happy na. Happy na sila. Mayroon na silang smoothie. CJ, you got spoon. No. That's forks. Give CJ a straw. Maybe he wants to.
It's gonna be stuck.
Where's another straw?
I don't know.
Here, CJ, use the straw. Yeah. Oops, nangahulog pala. Na ano, boy? Excuse me ka. Gonna add yours kay konti lang yung sa'yo.
More.
Yung kay CJ kasi taba yung kanyang ano. Kaya gonna add sa little bit kay CJ.
Oh my god.
Shush, stop! Love! Ito mga to, maganda itong mga bulili. Ako dali yun sa
Mommy,
mga exotic na mga...
put it in the middle. I'm gonna lick it inside.
No, you can't do that inside. You gotta wash it. Maganda dalhin ito sila mga kaibigan sa mga exotic na mga bansa kay They love food. Yan ang dessert nila.
Delicious, really.
What you guys gonna say?
Thank you. Let's go.
Oh, ayan na. Ala. Oh, gusto nila yung makaprutas talaga.
We like to be healthy.
Yes, you gotta be
So
healthy.
much.
Mga nakakatawa din to sila eh. Kami lang dito, pero grabe, bibo, grabe ka ano, ingay. Sobra pa sa ano mga kaibigan, sobra pa sa palengke. Hala, higop ni Don Julio yung kanya. Wala na. Higop Don Julio. Gusto ni CJ. Krishana,
Is that water?
are you done? Are you done with your gas? I'm gonna drink it.
No. I just find another straw.
There's no more straw.
That's like every straw broke.
Hala, sige, higop.
Will you help?
Help. They love frutas. Tomorrow, maybe we'll do langka. Gusto pa niya idagdag yung langka, mga kaibigan. We have tomorrow, Goy. We're not gonna put all of them, right? Bukas na tayo maglangka. Good. Very good. Okay. Very good, Nas Don Julio.
He finished?
Yes. He's finished. He got the mataba na ano, ubos na niya. Kahit nga ano mga kaibigan, mag-smoothie ako ng mga dahon-dahon. Ito CJ, lakas ito CJ. Kaya, kung magipagsuntukan to, tumba talaga yung ano niya, kalaban niya. Yung ano nga, yung kalaro niya mga kaibigan, gusto siyang hawakan dito sa ano, nagtakbuhan sila ba? Gusto hawakan dito. Ginanon ni CJ, natapon talaga siya. Kasi si Don Julio, nako, probuyag.
This is mine.
Ano siya, payat sa tingnan pero
I don't want you to have it.
ano siya, probuyag lang. Basta malunggay mga kaibigan, kunting wakle, lagput. Nauna na urot kay CJ. Tawanan na lang natin to. Natawa nga ako dito. Matawa na lang ako nitong dalawa nito. Kay katamit tatlo lang. Kailangan nila ng traffic enforcer talaga. Sorry, back. Sorry, back nukab. Hello. Nauna na hurot kay CJ. Oh, una lang niya. Siya gagawin, mayroon pa. Ganun yung siya gagawin, unti-unti niya. Oh, naglaro na naman Zanulio. Naglaro na siya. Wow, maka-healthy dyan ng gulay. Oh, ma'am, kay ito man yung, ano ko, ma'am. Yan ang lagi naming ano dito sa bahay. Wa. Kaya, at least hindi sila masyado sa mga ano. Isda sila. More on isda sila, mga kaibigan. Goy, are you done?
That's enough. That's Daddy. That's a number.
Good job mga kiddos. Gracil Punay.
That's a number.
Ano digay?
Daddy found a number.
Number?
Yeah.
Ano number?
And it's already sent to the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
The rest of it sent to the Philippines.
Hello sa inyo sa mainit. Surigao del Norte. Merry Chris! Kaya, hello po. Sus ko, madilim na go yung itlog sa manok. Ay, hindi pa natin nakuha pala. Bukas na lang, baka basag na yun. Ay. Dami kong ginagawa. Nakalimutan ko nang kunin yung ating...
Smoothie one in the pool.
We can do that next time, yeah. Good morning sa inyo dyan. Ingat mga kaibigan ha. Bye-bye na po. Ingat. Bye-bye. Maghugas na ako. Magandang araw po. Salamat.